Hi everyone, I just want to give you a quick tip on how to remove these push fit fittings. I'll show you a couple ways, and you're going to want to know this because these are usually a temporary fix on problems, so taking them off often is something you're going to need to know how to do. So you just take your fitting, all you got to do is place it onto the pipe or tube and make sure it's on there tight. Just give it a little tug, and once it's on secure, you can take your little tool and then just place it on and pull it off. It's very easy. You can get this little disconnect clip from our website, but if you don't have one of these in the meantime, you can just take an adjustable wrench, put it to the pipe size, and then pull off your shark bite or push fit fitting. All right guys, so that's it. It's pretty straightforward. If anyone has any tips for things related to this or anything else, share in the comments section or even on our Facebook page, and maybe I'll make a video about it. And if you enjoyed the video, press like and subscribe to the channel if you like our channel.